Hello, this is our movie review website called SpoilerAlert. We just showed running the container from Docker, and this is a user creating their account. There is a age restriction on our website, so a user has to be over the age of 16 in order to be able to create an account and participate. So we also have a login page which allows the user to do all of the fun things that you'll see in the rest of this video, and a reset password page as well.
Hi, I'm Sumto, and I made the main homepage, which is where you can search for movies, and you can also filter them by genre, decade, directors, and stars. I also created the watch list integration, which is where you can click add to watch list and it'll show up on your profile.
Hi, I'm Camilla, and I did the like reviews page, but I also implemented the add review form. So this is where the user can write a review with the title and then the review body and submit it. There's this like review button where a user can like the review and then it shows up on their page. So, for example, the user's shown liking the reviews, and they can also have the ability to unlike reviews, and then those liked reviews will show up on their profile page. And they can also remove the liked reviews from their profile page as well, or from the individual movie page.
A logged-in user can look at their favorite movies by accessing the list from their profile. When they click on the Favorite Movies tab, it opens it and shows them all their favorite movies. The user also gets recommendations on the movies, and this data is pulled from TMDb external API to suggest similar movies. The user can also remove movies from their list at any time and add them from the home screen movie details page.
So now we're going to test out the admin dashboard. So let's log in as an admin and go check out the page in the top. So the first tab here shows all the flagged reviews in the system. The admin can choose to either reject or accept a flag on a review. So as you can see here, we're just reading through and we decide to reject this one, which means the review gets unflagged and no penalty is applied to the user who posted that review. Here we're going to accept this flag and we delete the review and the user gets penalized. In this page, we get to grant or revoke admin privileges to other users. Here you can type in to go to a certain page. Here we're going to grant privileges to this user. And if we decide to try to revoke privileges from ourselves, it doesn't work. Finally, the Movies tab. We can delete movies and we get prompted for confirmation. Or we can also update details about a movie. Here we decide to try to save, but we don't have a year put in for the movie. Same case here for Forrest Gump. Here we decide to test changing the title. As you can see, it changes right there, and the year shows up. One last thing here. Let's check that our changes in admin actually affect the movie details page. So this is the wrong title. Other than that, we have some flagged reviews here. So let's go deal with those. Let's see. How about we accept them all? So when we go back, all of these will no longer be in the reviews for Peak Fiction. And actually, that's not the name of the movie, it's Pulp Fiction. So let's change that. Now, if we go there, we see, there you go, the title's fixed, and those reviews are no longer here.